of the same topic, which is about God realization, I've got a question. Baba, if you could tell, you had mentioned that there are different stages of God realization or different types of God realization. And I think you mentioned about the Salik stage and the Mazhub stage. So, would you like to explain that part, please?
Baba Singh, they are very heavy readings. It can't be downloaded like that.
Just give an essence,
No,
just a
saying no.
short.
Maybe I'm not connecting at that level. How can I get you those kind of messages? Baba Singh, all I can tell in short is that
Just 1 minute. Continue.
these are different planes of realization. As I said, everybody is God realized. But then in the astral world, you belong to certain planes that you either come from or you go to, depending on how you are spiritually elevated. Correct? So when you drop your body, and depending on how your spiritual elevation has been or realization has been, you will get onto that astral planet of that God realization. So then when you probably come back again as a spiritual worker, right? Then you come with the, what is that word? You come loaded with the
Capability?
the capabilities or what is available on that astral planet at that spiritual level to download, right? So you grasp that and you come and download. So then it could be a different God realization, maybe not at the highest level, depending on which astral planet you come from or phase you come from, but or maybe you might be like a small, you might be at the monk level or a spiritual leader, or a saint, and then being at that level, then you will attract souls who will want to benefit from there, right? So then those souls will get connected to you. So it's like having a master, right? So then that master with that kind of little or more God realization will pass that knowledge on to others who can benefit from his learnings or from his teachings, right? So then they fall in that category of having a master who has that not complete but limited God realization. So both ways the purpose is sorted out. One is that soul comes back as a good spiritual worker, God realized to some extent, to pass that knowledge down, and then his followers, they also benefit, right? So they benefit on their spiritual journey, and they also learn and grasp, apply, and then from what they learn, grasp and apply, they themselves will move on to the next stage in the ladder in the astral world. Make sense?
Yeah, my question was more about the different types of God realization. So, if you could spend more time on that.
No, I'm not getting any message.
Okay.